Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn 9 refreshing AC tips for summer. During hot weather, your air conditioner works very hard. If you follow these simple tips, you can improve cooling, save electricity, and increase the life of your AC system. Let's get started. Welcome to HVAC official channel. 1. Clean the outdoor unit. The first step is to clean your outdoor unit. Dust, leaves, and dirt can block airflow and reduce efficiency. Always turn off the power before cleaning. Also, keep at least 2 to 3 feet of space around the unit so air can flow properly. 2. Replace air filters regularly. The second tip is to change your air filters. Dirty filters block airflow and reduce cooling performance. You should replace filters every 1 to 2 months, especially in summer. Clean filters improve airflow and reduce stress on the system. 3. Clean and straighten fins. The third tip is to clean and check the fins. The condenser and evaporator fins allow air to pass through. If they are dirty or bent, airflow becomes weak. Use a soft brush or a thin comb to clean and straighten them carefully. 4. Check drain line for blockages. The fourth tip is to inspect the drain line. AC systems produce water during cooling. This water flows through a drain pipe. If the drain is blocked, it can cause water leakage and even mold growth. Make sure the drain line is clean and clear. 5. Check the AC base, pad. The fifth tip is to check the outdoor unit base. Most AC units are placed on a concrete pad. Over time, the pad can move or sink. Make sure the unit is level and stable to avoid damage to pipes and connections. 6. Inspect insulation. The sixth tip is to check insulation round AC pipes. If insulation is damaged, cold air can escape and the system will work harder. Adding proper insulation helps improve efficiency and saves energy. 7. Consider an energy audit. The seventh tip is to check your home for energy loss. Sometimes cool air escapes through windows, doors, or poor insulation. An energy audit can help you find these problems and improve your home's cooling performance. 8. Protect the unit, smart way. The eighth tip is protection. Keeping your AC clean during off-season helps reduce damage. However, avoid using plastic covers that trap moisture. Instead, use proper covers or simple protection methods that allow airflow. 9. Get professional service. The final and most important tip is professional servicing. A trained HVAC technician can inspect your system, clean important parts, and fix small issues before they become big problems. Regular servicing gives you peace of mind and better performance. Conclusion. Following these 9 simple AC tips can make a big difference. You can improve cooling, save electricity, prevent breakdowns, and increase the life of your system. A well-maintained AC not only keeps your home cool, but also works more efficiently and reliably. Thank you for watching HVAC official channel.